Hey guys, this is SoFly Sector checking in for another video. Hope you guys doing well, being safe, and all that good stuff. Hope you guys having SoFly day today. Unfortunately, I'm not having SoFly day today as we speak. Some news, sad news, just became a part of my life now. As you can see by the title, my dog Trixie passed away. And this is like the most meaningful, heartfelt video of, a type of unboxing, because it's not good news. As you can see, I'm not that happy. I was, I was crying so much when I found out the news, and it was me that found her like that. So, it wasn't a good thing. If you had a dog that you really loved, and it was just a perfect dog, you guys know that that dog meant something to you guys. They made you feel that they were a part of the family and everyone knew them, and it was like your own little brother or little sister that you always knew for 14 years, because we had Trixie for 14 years. So, she lived a long life, and that's what really made me feel good, is that she lived a long life and we gave her a really good life. And that's what made me happy about it, because she lived her full life and it was good. So I did a shoe under her name for her, and I wanted to do a video for her, and I'm going to show pictures and everything. And I do have one video and maybe 3 or 4 pictures and maybe more, but it's going to be hard just to watch the video and everything, because it's hard to not see her anymore. Her passing was like maybe 3 weeks ago or more, but every day I do feel more and more better, I guess, happier, but it's still really sad for her not to be around us. So yeah, I'm sorry that the feeling of this video is sad, but unfortunately it's not always good days. It's not always like happy, like rainbows and really big effects and happy effects. So for this video, I'm not going to do a lot of effects. I'm going to just play it straightforward, I think. I'm going to edit like a few things here and there, but just not a happy video for me. So I hope you guys are doing well. Hope nothing bad happens, but I hope everything's good with you guys, and everything. So yeah, my dog Trixie, this is unboxing for her. I went on Nike.com and I made my own Nike by You, and I did do a Nike. I customized everything, like, everything that's based off her. I did, little hints in details as much as I could for her, and this shoes for her. She will be on my feet and everything. I hope that sounds, I'm sorry, that came out kind of weird. But anyways, whew, let's get in the video or in the unboxing. Hope you guys enjoy it. So let's get into it. So here it is, a Nike by you right there. And yeah, I'm not going to show you the other side because it has the shoe on the picture, so I'm not going to show that side. So as you can see on the other side, has a Nike. So right there has a Nike there. Let's get into it. So here's a shoe. My Trixie. So here's a shoe right there. So I did do, as you can see, I did do a Nike Presto in the gray, because Trixie was like mostly like a gray. She was like mostly like a gray and white. So that's why I did the cream hit right there for her like white fur that she did have. She was like a mix between a white and a gray, but she was like mostly gray all over her, and she did have like browns in her and black, as you can see, black here. And yeah, she was a really beautiful dog. She had just every color on her body, on her fur. She had white, like I said, so I did the whitey swoosh there, also cream-ish, and I did the cream laces. I thought that was a really nice touch, and I did do her little initials in the back. They didn't let me put her full name. They only let me put like 3 initials, like three letters in the back. So I didn't like that, but you know, it is what it is. I can't change that. But yeah, you know, Trixie. So, and I did the gum bottom as well, brown. She did have a lot of brown too. Her feet were like brown too, so that was really beautiful touch of her. And I did the pink speckles because this was her first leash. It was pink when we first got her, when she was first born. She was, you know, still young when she was born. When she was old enough, we gave her this pink leash that we bought her, and is now like this peach colorway, but it was pink, and this was hers. This was her leash. Her and her dad, Ringo, that also passed away because he was even older. He had a green leash at first when we got him, but then we gave him a red one. I think we bought the red one for him, I think, and we got hers in the pink. So yeah, that's what this pink speckles are for, and she was a girl, so you know, I try to add as much details as I could, you know, with the name and pink speckles from her leash, the gray on her fur, the brown or the white on her fur as well, and also she had black and brown. And to be honest, I think I did a really good job on everything based off her. And I'm sorry, it's sad to also say that I did lose another dog, and I'm gonna do a shoe for her as well. So as you could see, as you could probably hear, my life hasn't really been happy right now, but I'm trying to get back up. I'm trying to stay up as much as I can and give you guys a video as much as I can as well. So yeah, and there's this little, where is it? There's a little black mark there. I don't know what that is. Let me clean it. Huh. Probably, oh no, it's coming off. So I thought it was like a factory flaw. And yes, I do love Prestos. They're really comfortable, and I really recommend you guys grabbing a pair of Prestos because they're just really comfy. You don't have to pay for like a Yeezy or anything. These are more affordable and everything, and they look really nice on feet. And I will be doing on feet, obviously, because these are super nice shoe to just do an on feet and go about your day. You can work out on these and everything. It's a really nice shoe, and that's why I pick a Presto, because I really love wearing them, and I wear Prestos a lot because right now I'm wearing my black ones. I'm wearing these black ones, black and pink ones. They are dirty, as you probably saw, so I love wearing Prestos. It's really comfy, and it just really amazes me of how comfortable they are. If you're going to walk like long distance, I think a Presto is the shoe for you guys, like the choice. I think you guys should really look forward in a Prestos if you want a comfy shoe, if you feel like buying one. So yeah, so I'm going to show you pictures and everything of Trixie. Trixie, I love you. She was a dog that just really wanted to be by my side, and everything. And there's just a lot that I can say about her. Oof, man. Yeah, that's hard to say. She just really wanted to be near me, and she just always wanted to be by my side and by my sister's side too, because she loved both of us, my sister and myself. She just always wanted to be around us. She always wanted to go into our rooms and sleep there. So yeah, she had a lot of love for us too. And I can't thank her enough for being in our lives and watching me grow up as well, and I watched her grow up too. So yeah, it's really great to know that she had a long life and everything. So I just wanted to say that about her. She was just a perfect dog. I wish she could live a full life, but you can't. So yeah, I want to provide you on feeds and everything, and pictures and everything, as you could see. So so yeah, I love you, Trixie, and I love you guys for still supporting me. Hope you guys enjoy this sadly unboxing of the Nike Presto. Sorry. The Trixie Nike Presto. Trixie love. I love you, Trixie. To my sweet girl, I love you so much, Trixie. Hope you're looking down at us, and hope you're living a good life with Ringo up there, and Mia, and all of them, all the dogs. So yeah, so Guys, hope you guys have a soulfly day today. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm sorry, but I'm sorry if this is a little emotional and everything. So hope you guys enjoy on feeds and all that. So I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.